Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to turn off disappearing messages and chats on WhatsApp web using your PC. This feature is handy for controlling whether your messages stay visible or vanish after a set time. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your computer. If you're not already logged in, scan the QR code with your phone to access your account. Next, navigate to the chat where you want to disable disappearing messages. It can be an individual or group chat. This process works for both. Once inside the chat, click on the name of the contact or group at the top of the screen. This will open the chat details panel on the right side of your screen. In the details panel, look for the option labeled Disappearing Messages and click on it. If this is your first time accessing this feature, you might see a prompt explaining how it works. Simply click Continue to proceed. Now, you'll see a few options for managing disappearing messages. To turn them off, select Off. This will disable the feature, ensuring that any new messages sent in this chat will no longer disappear after a set period. And that's it. You've successfully turned off disappearing messages for this chat. You can repeat these steps for any other chats where you'd like to disable this feature. By following these simple instructions, you'll have full control over your messages and can ensure they remain visible as long as you need them. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to explore more features on WhatsApp web.